Hello. All right, so I wanted to show you guys what you're supposed to do. I didn't get to show you last time, but this is like a video to go over it, so everybody sees my sheet. Just in case you're not sure, I'm gonna do like a random one. Let's do like Sonic, for example, a sprite sheet, right? So the first part is having a sprite sheet, right? You save it, you upload it, you crop it. I already have one made, but I'm just gonna do a new one as an example. Let's do this one just for the verse. You save it. I could drag it because my computer could drag, but you're supposed to save, right? You open a blank doc, right? You put it in here, make sure it's big, and then the goal is to get the individual pieces, right? Or it's so ugly. He's so ugly. Mr. Love is so picky. All right. Mhm, mhm. This sounds ugly, right? Is it in the middle? I don't even know if it's in the middle. Yeah, that's ugly. Anyways, that black thing right here, those are called cropping tools. So you basically double click and these things will show up. And then you could make it smaller, big, like I did earlier. I'm just using my arrows. I don't like the fact that it has the word, but for now, this is just the example, right? As you can see, I have my mini. So ugly, so ugly, so ugly. I'm just copying pasting. I've done it so much. All right, so my ugliness is here. Right now, I'm supposed to save the individual pictures. So I could right click and save it, or I could go file. I want to say file download as JPEG, and I just do current. I don't want to do all. Oh wait, that was wrong. I click text file download JPEG. There we go. I wonder if I could do a whole bunch of them at the same time. Let me do this. Hold up. Let me do it right here. I'm holding shift. Right click. File. Not right click. File download. Did I get all of them? We're gonna find out right now. No, I have to do it. I have to do it one by one. Figures. All right. So I can't just download all of them. All right. File, download, JPEG. This is all tedious. File, download, JPEG. File, download, JPEG. Sorry, my hand gets dumb. File, download, JPEG, and the last one, file, download, JPEG. So I got all my files downloaded. So if I go and look at it, um, if I go and look at it in my downloads, should see it. Yeah, there we are. All these. This was by accident. The text was by accident. All right. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to GameFroot. Right. I'm just gonna do a blank game for now. I'm gonna call it Manuki Sonic game. Great. That's if you already downloaded this. You might have to sign up. Um, if you see this, don't worry about it. Right. Um, retry. Do I want to retry? You know what? Can I? Oh, there we go. I could just escape. I didn't know that. We're not gonna do this yet. We're gonna do this next time. So right now we're gonna upload media. Oh, wait a minute. Am I not even download? Oh, wait a minute. Let me log in. Let me log in. I'm sorry, I didn't even log in. I'm so off. There we go. Actually, it's not. We're not gonna. Oh yeah, we have the media here. Actually, we don't have to upload media. We just have to create animation. So let's click create animation, upload frames. We're gonna download our Sonics. It's in download. There we are. Blop, 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 blop. I should do shift. Oh, never mind. Shit doesn't work there. Save them. Now we got them here. So idle is just standing up. So we're gonna. Which one's gonna be our stand up? No, that's running. Stand. Stan doesn't need a. Stan doesn't need anything. Stan is fine the way he is. Let's do one called run. Run. And let's add some for him. Um. Oh, I don't have enough run. I don't have enough run. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. That's a little too fast. That's a little too slow. He looks ugly. Ugly. Okay, let's do duck. Mm-hmm. We need jump. Oh, die! I can't believe you had to die. I'm not gonna do die. Jump. I'm gonna do. Please, I should have edited the words. We need spin. I didn't put spin. Well, anyways, you get the idea. We got standing, running. I'm running looks ugly. Duck, jump. Save it. Uh, right, and then hold it right there because I'm not gonna go into coding just yet. But we have our character right there. Too funny, too funny. And we'll be done for that until we get into coding. I hope you enjoy.